Oh, garbage! How do they? Whoa, now this is Magic John's brand new 4-in-1 fast charging cable. Its dual connector design allows for Lightning and USB with 2 additional Type-Cs, making it compatible with pretty much any device that you can think of. 240 watts means that you can charge it with any device at maximum speed at all times. Now this cable is not only fast, but it is also built to last. Connectors are reinforced with zinc alloy and the cable with liquid silicone. You can bend it, pull it, twist it, nothing's gonna happen to it. And it comes with a gift from Magic John, its own travel bag, and there are also 2 colors available. And if you like this product, you can click the yellow card below and purchase it now.